पञ्चदशः पाठः 15th lesson रामस्य शीर्षे मुकुटः कण्ठे हारः पृष्ठे च तूणीरः रामस्य शीर्षे शीर्षे means on the head रामस्य शीर्षे means on Rama's head मुकुटः crown कण्ठे on the neck हारः necklace पृष्ठे on the back तूणीरः quiver. So Ramasya Shirshe Mukutaha Kanthe Haraha Prushte cha Tuniraha. So there is a crown on Rama's head. There is a necklace on his neck and on his back there is a quiver. Tunire cha banaha drishyante. Tunire, in the quiver, banaha, arrows, drishyante, are seen. So tunire cha banaha drishyante. And there are arrows seen in the quiver. लक्ष्मणस्य अपि शीर्षे कण्ठे पृष्ठे च मुकुटहारतूणीराः दृश्यन्ते लक्ष्मणस्य अपि for Lakshmana also शीर्षे on the head कण्ठे on the neck पृष्ठे on the back मुकुटहारतूणीराः दृश्यन्ते. So mukuta is crown, hara necklace and tunira quiver drishyante are seen. So Lakshmanasya api shirshe kanthe prushte cha Mukutahara Tuniraha Drishyante. So for Lakshmana also, the following are seen: the crown on his head, a necklace on his neck, and the quiver on his back. Tathacha Dasharathasya api. Tathacha similarly, Dasharathasya api for Dasharatha also. So Tathacha Dasharathasya api. Similarly for Dasharatha also. Rama Lakshmano Balakau eva drishyate. Rama Lakshmano, Rama and Lakshmana, Balakau, boys, eva, still, drishyate, appear. So Rama Lakshmano, Balakau eva drishyate. Rama and Lakshmana still appear like boys. So if we look in the picture, we can see that Rama and Lakshmana still appear like little boys. Dasharatha tu balavan drishyate. Dasharatha tu means but Dasharatha, Balavan. Balavan means a strong, able-bodied. Drishyate appears. So Dasharatha is appears like a full-grown adult, strong and able-bodied. So Dasharatha tu Balavan Drishyate. Vishwamitrasya mastake jataha vartante. Vishwamitrasya mastake. Mastake means on the head. Vishwamitrasya mastake means on Vishwamitra's head. Jataha. Jataha means matted locks. Vartante. Vartante means are present. So Vishwamitrasya mastake jataha vartante. There are matted locks present on Vishwamitra's head. Tathacha Vasishthasya api. Tathacha similarly Vasishthasya api. For Vasishtha also. So if we look at the picture, both sages, they have matted locks on their head. Tayoho mukhayoho prabhutaha keshaha vartante. Tayoho mukhayoho. Mukham means face. So tayoho mukhayoho means on their faces, on both their faces. Keshaha. Keshaha is hair. Prabhutaha keshaha. Lot of hair. So lot of hair means facial hair. So on their faces, prabhutaha keshaha vartante means is present. So tayoho mukhayoho prabhutaha keshaha vartante. Lot of facial hair is present on both their faces. Vasishthasya kurchaha dirghaha dhavalah cha. Vasishthasya kurchaha. Kurchaha means beard. Vasishthasya kurchaha. Vasishtha's beard is dirghaha. Dirghaha is long. Dhavalah. Dhavalah means white. So Vasishthasya kurchaha dirghaha dhavalah cha. So Vasishtha's beard is long and white. So this is Vasishtha's beard. We see that it is long and white. Vishwamitrasya api kurchaha dirghaha asti. So Vishwamitrasya api, Vishwamitra's is also kurchaha beard, dirghaha long, asti is present. Okay, so Vishwamitrasya api kurchaha dirghaha asti. So the beard of Vishwamitra is also long. Natu tadrishaha dhavalah yadrishaha vasishthasya. But it is not as white as Vasishta's beard. So if we look at both these pictures, Vishwamitra's beard is this. It is not as white as Vasishta's beard. So tu here natu tadrishaha dhavalah. Dhavalah is white. Natu tadrishaha dhavalah means not as white as yadrishaha vasishtasya, as Vasishta. So tadrishaha means of that sort. It is not the kind of white that white beard that Vasishta has. It is not as white as Vasishta's. Ekah prushte ajinam dharayati. Ekah prushte on the back. Ekah one of them. So one of them at the back, he wears ajinam. Ajinam means deer skin. Dharayati. Dharayati means he wears. So one of them wears deer skin on his back. Anyaha tu kshaumam. We look at Vasishta. Anyaha means the other one. The other sage is Vasishta. Kshaumam. He wears a silken cloth. So ekaha prushte ajinam dharayati. Anyaha tu kshaumam. One of them wears a deer skin at the back and the other wears a silken cloth. Yaha kinkaraha Vishwamitrasya parshve tishtati tasya haste dandaha vartate. Yaha kinkaraha. Kinkaraha is attendant. Yaha kinkaraha means the attendant who Vishwamitrasya parshve tishtati. Tishtati stands. Vishwamitrasya parshve, to the side of Vishwamitra. So there is an attendant standing to the side of Vishwamitra. He is not seen in the picture. Tasya haste, in his hand, dandaha vartate. Dandaha means a stick or a staff. Vartate is present. So yaha kinkaraha Vishwamitrasya parshve tishtati tasya haste dandaha vartate. The attendant who stands to the side of Vishwamitra, there is a staff in his hand. Saha prushte karpasam vastram dharayati. So that attendant, saha refers to that kinkaraha. So prushte, at the back, on his back, karpasam vastram. Karpasam is cotton. So dharayati wears. So karpasam vastram means he wears a cotton cloth on his back. So saha prishte karpasam vastram dharayati. Tasya shiro vastram api karpasam asti. Tasya shiro vastram. Shiro vastram means the headgear, something like a turban kind of a thing. So the attendant is wearing a turban. So that shiro, that is known as shiro vastram, a headgear. That is also, api means also, karpasam asti. So that is also made out of cotton. So tasya shiro vastram api karpasam asti. So his head dress is also made of cotton cloth. Tasya kurchaha rasvaha krishnaha cha. Tasya kurchaha. So tasya kurchaha means his beard. His here refers to the attendants, kinkaras. Kurchaha. Okay. So kinkarasya kurchaha. So tasya kurchaha is a kinkarasya kurchaha. The attendant's beard is hraswaha. Hraswaha means it is short. Krishnaha. Krishnaha means it is black. So tasya kurchaha hraswaha krishnaha cha. The attendant's beard is short and black in color. Okay. So let us now read the lesson again. Panchadashaha pataha. रामस्य शीर्षे मुकुटः कण्ठे हारः पृष्ठे च तूणीरः तूणीरे च बाणाः दृश्यन्ते लक्ष्मणस्य अपि शीर्षे कण्ठे पृष्ठे च मुकुटहारतूणीराः दृश्यन्ते तथा च दशरथस्य अपि रामलक्ष्मणौ बालकौ एव दृश्यते दशरथः तु बलवान् दृश्यते विश्वामित्रस्य मस्तके जटाः वर्तन्ते तथा च वसिष्ठस्य अपि तयोः मुखयोः प्रभूताः केशाः वर्तन्ते वसिष्ठस्य कूर्चः दीर्घः धवलः च विश्वामित्रस्य अपि कूर्चः दीर्घः अस्ति न तु तादृशः धवलः यादृशः वसिष्ठस्य एकः पृष्ठे अजिनं धारयति अन्यः तु क्षौमं यः किङ्करः विश्वामित्रस्य पार्श्वे तिष्ठति तस्य हस्ते दण्डः वर्तते सः पृष्ठे कार्पासं वस्त्रं धारयति तस्य शिरोवस्त्रम् अपि कार्पासम् अस्ति तस्य कूर्चः ह्रस्वः कृष्णः च